trade and then throw it at it and make more than 5 crappy trades.
Yeah.
The whole goal.
Yeah, that's what I've been realizing more and more. It's like, what I've been realizing now, just looking at these markets, it's like it's just better to just sit out and just watch rather than, you know, just try to force something.
Exactly. And you like
Especially
learn.
being a prop firm.
Going to here, we live. A+ setups only.
Yep, very much. If I do see something and I'm kind of iffy about it, I'll just go to demo.
You say use that to go?
I'll go to demo. Hop on the demo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, chat. We back. 41's in the chat. Who's here? Who here? Who here want to make some Skrilla? Put you guys up here. I'm gonna turn mine off. Yeah. All right, what's good? In gold longs, very worried. It's a great way to start. No, hope you guys are all doing amazing. Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the No Limit. I was say podcast, but live stream show where we make money and talk shit and pay the light bill. About it. That's all we try to do here. Make sure y'all drop a 41 in the chat. Make sure you guys come tune in and say what's up. Go over. We live. 41's in the chat. Come on. Come on. We live, guys. Come tune in. Watch out, NQY, and we coming. All right, we good. Posted, chilling. Another day, another dollar. What up? We got Dave in the chat. Dave, where you at? We're on the Zoom. I'm on the Zoom. All right. So, first off, who made some money today? Let's start off with that. Who's had a good day? What happened? Don't cry about it. We're here to fix it. You know. Because I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get his face on lyrics. Nothing but upside volume. Exactly. We got some good movements, but we shorted. What do you mean upside volume? To me, I think we're kind of going down. I'm not incorrect. Oh, gold, yeah. Market shorting. All right, guys, let's go over it. So if you go out to the 4-hour on NQ, what does it look like? We've taken out previous highs over here. Had a big liquidation. I'm pretty sure it's all-time highs. Could be tripping. I'm pretty sure we swept all-time highs, came down, and now we have a big rejection, and it looks like NQ is now engulfing its previous bullish candle. What does engulfing mean? Why is that a bet? What does that even mean? To engulf a candle, and how can it help us? Pop quiz. Pop quiz. Eating up. It makes me hungry. Reversal, sellers in power. Ate the preview. Yeah, so basically, like, easiest way to do it is it kind of ate. But the confirmation, yeah, is a potential reversal due to the fact that it has enough strength to close bullish, and then this has enough strength to push down and the candle close below the previous 4-hour candle. That to me shows strength in sellers. Strength in sellers means a potential reversal because of how bullish you've been. So we can get a closure below here, which, why does it say it's about to close in 876? What the heck? Did you see that, Tay?
Oh, what happened?
Like it just printed the candle on the 4-hour, but it says 3 hours left.
Oh yeah, I should have printed that like 10 minutes ago. Unless it didn't move for 10 minutes.
That's what I'm saying. Does yours look like this? Let's go over to here.
Let me see. Flower.
Same thing with the YM.
Hold up, my charts are actually frozen.
Tripping, chat.
Yeah, mine look bullish. Well, right, that's the 15. Hold on. Yeah, my 4-hour looks bullish. It's moving up.
So what is this? I'm on a 4-hour now.
Yeah. And my daily candle is bullish about to flip bearish.
The daily candle looks right. I wonder why this 4-hour looks weird. Oh, you see how I have 3 right here?
Yeah.
Alex said I'm on a delayed chart.
Yeah, you might be on a different. I was just thinking that you might be on a different chart. I'm on NASDAQ 100. It says 100 mini futures.
I know,
CME.
that's what mine says though. Mine says CME.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Very interesting. Did a regular NAS 100, but look at not regular NAS 100. This one Black Bolt. Is that not the same? This looks the
That-
same.
That looks similar to mine.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So this is. Wow, how interesting. How interesting. Oh, wait, hold on. Mamba's FaceTiming.
Yeah. Mini futures, CME.
Everyone say what's good. I'm on the phone. All right.
Yo, Mamba, what's up, man?
All right, my bad. Yeah, I don't know why that chart was fucking delayed. Weird as shit. That song stuck in my head. All right, let's get into it, chat. So going over NASDAQ over here on the left, 4 hour. 4 hour did engulf. To me, that shows sellers are trying to push price down, lower. What has to happen first? I think some sort of retracement into what? Discount. I always like price to retrace into discount, especially after some sort of engulfing. If price were to retrace into discount like this and then go down, that's ideal in this scenario. Do we want to buy down in here? Not exactly. I wouldn't say we want to buy just yet, but we can go over it, right? Over here on US 30 though, let's go here. Remove the 4 drawings. We can come over here. Super bearish. Alpha traders. Oh, that's cool. That's crazy. All right. In here, 4 hour on Dow Jones looks a lot different. Wait, what is happening on my charts? Am I tripping? Why does it all say New York? What? Am I tripping? Is this what your guys' US 30 looks like? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like that, but I don't know why yours only says New York and not the other sessions.
Oh, here we go on the lower time frames. What the dude, am I like high today? What the fuck is happening? No, I'm completely sober, by the way. But you would think I am. Nah. Weird. I don't know why it says in New York. It's got me tripping out a little bit. Maybe it's the higher time frames. This indicator might just be lagging. 4 hour on US 30 is much more bearish, but where is it placed in compared to NASDAQ? This 4 hour demand. 4 hour demand, looking for rejection. You can see under, we have the 8 SMA meeting up with it. Do I think that we're just going to buy from this area? I don't know. Do I think we can get a reaction? Possibly, right? I'd be more inclined to try and get a reaction to take some scalps in here than NASDAQ due to the engulfing candles. So if we go to US 30 and come into here, let's just chop up the chart real quick into just one. Pull this up. All right, so like I was saying, 4 hour time frame, 4 hour demand, candle high right here, right? Clear rejections off of it. If I were to go to the 1 hour, where are we sitting in? Same type of thing with this big indecision candle, which I think has a ton of orders in it. Do I want to just buy because we're in this area? No, we're waiting for it to, hold on, mom was calling in. So funny how Mamba with that. Love that guy. We also got Tay, Rudy, Mr. Cypher in the building. Bunch of killer snipers. You see them when you're walking down a rooftop? Motherfucking duck. If you need your light bills paid, ask someone else. No, okay. Shit, we trying though.
We're on the roof because we didn't pay the light bill.
it's the only light. We gotta get the sun. It's fucking hilarious. Hell yeah. All right. I'm in buys. No, I'm totally kidding. All right, guys, let's break it down. So, as we look at US 30, we are in a clear downtrend. What would make me want to like take anything out of it? Potential, first off, accumulation, manipulation, and break of this trend line showing some sort of reaction to actually go long. If it were to come to shorts, guys, it's just US30 is too oversold for me to try and sell as of now. I would rather try and sell NQ. Reason being, same type of thing, 4 hour engulf, just looking for a slight retracement up into this area. Being like, what are these? And yes, we go to here. First off, just go to here. Let's do one more time. Fib this up like this, and let's mark out where this midpoint is right here. All right, so now we know where equilibrium is, and we can kind of see, oh, and what kind of is good now that we're on like the 15 is it has pretty nice highs to take out in equilibrium. So like you can kind of expect price to come up, take out these highs. What it could be doing is accumulating buyers in this area, get a bunch of buyers in, that try and take this breakout back up. And what it could end up doing is then following back down due to the direction, left head or left shoulder, head, right shoulder, continue down. Do I know that's a fact? Is that going to 100% continue? No, I don't know like 100%, but I think this has good conviction to potentially do a first one there. Do a poll for the day. I thought yellow line was gold zone and 786 was discount. Am I wrong? No, discount is anything past 50%. So if you drop a fib, right? If you drop a fib, you're basically expecting price went from here to here, and then it's retracing into anything past this yellow line. But between the yellow line, this 0.5 and the 0.62, that's what's called the golden zone, because this is where price will most likely come, and in this area get those reactions to continue. Yes, sir. Future Ninja in the building. Do we want to buy in a discount? We did sweep. Did we sweep these lows over here? No. Here? Oh, we just missed it. Literally just missed that low. Previous Asia low. We did sweep London lows, which is giving some sort of bullish reaction after that big wick. Don't forget to like the stream. Only 11 likes. That's what I'm saying. Come on, guys. Hit that freaking like button. Come on. We here doing it live in 4K for you. Wait, hold on. Got you, bro. Later, G. Peace. 5 Mamba calls, 1 stream. What's happening? All right. Going back to NQU5, my G's. Yes, sir. Shout out Rebel in the chat. The video drops tonight. What video? Oh, the podcast, guys. I dropped a podcast today. I should already then told you guys. If you guys didn't go watch that podcast, bro, so many gems. I appreciate everyone who's already gone and like commented or big everything. But guys, literally like come
over
on.
$4.4 million in payouts and $2.5 million in one
4.4
single payout,
million.
becoming the #1 trader paid out from prop firms ever.
I just had a $73,000 trade today.
Oh my god.
Yeah, gold hit all-time highs.
Disgusting. 280,000 in a week. How does that feel?
This was recorded during JCap's legendary run, which led him to becoming the #1 paid out person ever. And I was able to sit down with him one-on-one.
So legendary, guys. Go watch that fucking video. Gems. I'm assuming definition of discount. This one light company. He owns PG&E at that point. Nah. What's it called? Who here doesn't know what discount means? Premium and discount. I mean, I'll go over it. All right, US 30 guys. We're in this area. Not seeing too much. Go back to NQ. Where's That's all right. Yeah, this could just be another little like shoulder to continue down. Let's see what we can kind of accumulate. Wait for kind of slower. Me. All right. So when it comes to premium and discount, guys, the whole reason, like the ideology behind it, is the same way you trade stocks, the same way, just the way our human psychology is wired. For everyone in the chat, if you guys pulled up to San Diego with me and we went to the corner store and we tried to buy a pack of Modelo's, right? Modelo's. 18 bucks for 6. But then guess what? You're walking out and you see in the store next door, they got Modelo's for like $12.99 on discount. Come on, what are you buying? What are you buying? Why they gotta be Modelo? Modelo time. You like Modelo's? Come on now. He said, why they gotta be? All right, well, beyond them being okay, pretend they're chips. All right, we got, you buying a bag of chips for $10, you buying them for $4 on discount. You're gonna buy them out. You're gonna buy at $4. You're just gonna buy them cheaper. It's just how it is. Same thing with stocks. If you're gonna buy a stock when it's already at $100, or if it's pulling back and it's at like 60, you're gonna buy the stock hoping it goes back to 100. Right? You're buying at a discount price. The same way that our human, wires our brain for those type of things. It's the same with trading. So the whole ideology behind it and why I kind of believe in it is that like big money makers and people who actually move price they pick the direction, right? Like they'll pick the impulse, but a lot of the time is that you can't just keep buying. You can't just keep pushing price in one direction. If you want to continue to like get your whatever, you need more like liquidity and stuff. So you often have to pull back and they'll enter positions at a discount to continue overall price. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so that's the whole reason you guys will see me draw fibs is price will distribute. You mark it up and you go, all right, price has moved this. Yes, we might retrace, but let's see if we retrace into discount and get a reaction to potentially continue. That's what we want. What's good? I'll be in Diego in an hour. I'm gonna be gone. Chat. Where do you guys think I'm going to? Sheesh, you guys already should know if you were here yesterday. Where am I going today, chat? What's good to everyone though? What's up? Sandrini, what up? Oscar, 44 the Punisher. Yo, hey yo, hey yo. Nix, what's good? Where you at? Mac, what's good? Whole gang in this bitch. What's up, Xander? Good to see you, G. SZH Bees GCCG. Appreciate you, bro. Carrie Fruitland Tyler. What's up, bruh? Why is it? Damn it. You still balling with Weston Gardner? What? Hey, Luca. What up, Teresa? What up, Will? Yes, sir. Getting that new whip. Yes, sir. We're gonna pick up a new whip today, guys. We're gonna buy a new car. What up, Luke? What up, Nikki Pibbs? What's good, G? Good to see y'all. Stop in the building. DMV indeed. Rebel was good. Made different gaming. Rebel in the chat. What happened with the speeding ticket? Bro, that's so funny you asked that. I went through all that to try and fight it, got a court date, and then I fucking missed the court date. So not only did I have to pay the whole thing I had to pay extra because I didn't show up. I didn't know they penalized you, so all that work for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. Bay Area repping in here. Let's fucking go. Another Bay legend. Where in the Bay you from? Or where you at? Yeah, Rudy. Yeah. I missed it by a day. I don't know why. It was on the 20th. I thought I'd try to. I was there the 21st. I was ready. So fucked up. Rebel, what's good? What's up, Ryan? What's up, G? All the legends in the chat. Good to see y'all. Put out a warrant for you. That's funny. No, I was scared though, because I don't know. I wasn't actually scared, but currently live in Vegas, but I'm from San Mateo. Awesome, bro. Let's go. Yo, chill. You catch any trades today? Yeah, we took 2 trades during AM session. I hit 1 break even and then 1 winning trade. I closed partials on, and the rest of me break even. A lot of break evens. We can go over it. I'll go over it with you guys. New York session price action. We gave it a shot. All right. So this morning, going to the morning, I kind of had this marked up like this. Also had this kind of downtrend line like this, right? And the first buys were these. Took the buys at the break, got in a good profit. Was honestly fire. I thought this was gonna be like one of those days that price just kind of fucking just goes, right? So price goes, gets us up, you know, almost 2R, right? So knowing me, guys, whenever I'm over how much I'm risking, so if I'm risking $1,000, if I'm making $1,000, I'm up $2,000. I'm looking to at least put my stops to break even, because I hate being those people who like will be up 2,000, not close anything, and then I lose 1,000. You know what I'm saying? Like that just doesn't work with me and my psychology. So I like going break even. So after this push, went break even, came back. What happened? Me nasty big wick. So I'm glad I got out break even, because it would have came in here. But guess what? Mama ain't raised no bitch. So what we do? After the retest, I noticed on the higher time frames was potentially just a break and retest to continue. So I got into buys in here. Bought again for this push. Closed partials up in this area, and then the rest came and dumped and hit me. Reason why I then didn't take these sells and whatnot. At that hourly open, 30 minutes after New York session opened, Powell started talking. We had red folder news. So those are just the 2 shots I had this morning. Buys, break even, buys again, profit, closed partials, rest and break even. That was my morning. How was your guys' morning? Everyone else, tell me how your guys in New York was. How many trades you guys take? Nice. I like closing positions on each TP too. Yeah, like I just noticed, I was like, I hated getting break even. And then when we came up in this area and we started rejecting and stuff, I wanted to close some partials. I closed, went up a little bit, then just, you know, secured some money. Didn't lose any. That's a W in my books. um Never get back to the market when you're up. Don't make sense to me. That's what I'm saying. All right, so Carrie, I mean, you have the same thing. It's like there's people I know will be up like 3R, you know, like 3 risk to reward, and guess what? Get a whole rejection back and hold all the way to your stop loss. I would rather you guys get out break even, and then if a new entry presents itself, then re-get in and give yourself a second chance than just break even and or then just stop loss. Because what could end up happening is you get hit break even, you get out break even, and then you could potentially get even a lower position, right? Well, guys, don't forget to like the stream. Thank you, Teresa. Everyone, like the stream. That is your tuition here at NLT University. A like and a light bill. We all contribute. I'll leave my GoFundMe in the description. GoFundMe. What are you trying to fund? Light bill. What was the guy's name that was on the stream with you yesterday? His name was Ollie Trades. Ollie Trades is a very good trader. One of my really good friends. I got to meet him, I don't even know now, 2 years ago. And we've been locked in. Ollie's a really good trader. He has some of the most crazy account flips I've ever seen. He doesn't trade like us. He doesn't trade like 1% and whatever the fuck. Nah, he puts like 2K in account and he's not withdrawing until it's at 200K. Like, that's the type of trader he is. I'm gonna break my finger liking the stream. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Sometimes I just gotta do it. All right. Back to current price. So here. Why the fuck my chart delayed though? No one even gave me an answer for that. Are they watching me? They're like, oh, by the way. Break them all is crazy. What up, Creative Minds? How you doing, G? What you been on? What's Bitcoin at? Oh my god, so hot. It's just crazy. Bitcoin's just always been, it's just like chills above 100K now. Like, people used to tell me that I wouldn't hit 100K. Very low PA right now, guys. Waiting for it to pick up. Oh, hanging in there, my guy. Where you at right now, city-wise? San Diego, guys. We here in the beautiful sun of San Diego. You guys are ever out here, shoot me a DM. I do eventually want to do like a event or something cool, right? No trade yet. No trade yet. Do a pool tournament. That would be sick. Well, I mean, no. Usually, what we do, if you guys haven't been to one of the meet and greets, we've done trading competitions. We'll have PCs and computers there, and you'll do simulated trading, and then the winner usually will give challenges to or something. Ooh, skydiving, sick, bro. How was it? Happy 10-year, congratulations. What Lambo are you getting? No, I can tell you guys right now. I already told you guys, it's not a Lambo yet. Diego, we in this bitch. You here, Oscar? What are you doing here in San Diego? Is it Cayenne Turbo GT? It is a bigger car. I told you guys a bigger car. I'll just tell you guys this. I've wanted to get it for a while. It's nothing like insane. I mean, I don't know. It's custom. So I made it dope. Like the car itself is like, oh, okay, you got that. Then you'll see it and be like, oh shit, okay, it's got like I got it custom done. But it's like, you know, I already have the Porsche 2-door sports car. Didn't like having a so I wanted to get something chill for outdoors in San Diego. So if you guys were in San Diego and you guys wanted to fucking go into sand, take your car in the sand and shit, what you getting? Porsche color changing SUV. Nah, I mean, it's pretty sick, bro. I like it. I'll give you a hint also. It's in one of my past YouTube videos. Like in one of my YouTube videos from like 8 months ago, I said it in a YouTube video. What's a reputable skydiving company? Exactly. That's what we all want to know. You have to look it up. You always look at the reviews. I'm a guy, I always look at the reviews. No need to flag on it. I'm already, bro, my Instagram is shot right now. It's actually crazy. I've never had it this bad. Scammers are out to get me. Guys, new YouTube video. Like, subscribe, go crazy. Come on. I got to interview the #1 paid out person from prop from ever.
Well, let me tell you, pretending to work and trading definitely hits different. They're gonna miss me around here.
Yeah. That's funny, bro. As long as you get to chill, hang out, chill with the gang, that's all that matters.
Can't be too loud about it, but glad to hang out.
Oh yeah, bro. Jeez, what is this bullshit? Skydive. Who here skydived? Everyone in the chat, let me know if you guys ever skydived. And also, how drunk were you? No, I'm kidding.
Have you gone?
Nah,
Oh man, you're missing out.
really? How was it?
Um, everybody's afraid of like that roller coaster drop, but it's nothing like that. It's more like stepping off a picnic table because you think like the plane's already going 100 knots and thermal with a chute, you're gonna speed up to like 120. So it's just the initial acceleration, and then it's just a bunch of wind. It's not that roller coaster dropping feeling.
That's crazy though. That's
I tell you, the scariest skydive was the first time I went.
I'm
into
taking
the
a
building.
risk trading. I don't get on picnic tables either. It feels like when you stick your hand out of the window of a car. Oh, I'm just gonna go do that instead then. No, I'm kidding. Tan Lamborghini limo's idea. Limousine. Lamborghini. So it'd be a Lambozine. Lambozini. It's like nothing you ever did, or is knowing the parachute might not work, but you need. Yeah, that's the only thing is the parachute thing. Like, I'd low-key want to like jump off of like a cliff into some water and try to like parachute into it or some shit. I'd rather drop 1,000 ticks than still make money. Yeah. Oh, sweeping that low. It's goody. Straight up in Picasso with pain. Rather drink a Modelo while sitting at a picnic table. Bro said, why Modelo? I don't know. I was thinking Modelo time. You don't like Modelos?
I wonder how many people in the chat are at work.
How many people here are at work? Everyone in the chat, drop a 1 if you're at work. Or if you usually watch me at work. And they can hear you too. Oh, hello ones in the chat. I love it. I love y'all. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here. I love it. Trading work.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah. I'm laying in bed making 4K. This is my work. Hell yeah. Trader shit. Let's go. Did we shoot this high maybe? No. Guys, I kind of want to give these sells a chance. I wouldn't say they're that high probability, but kind of fun. You know, mom ain't raised no bitch, maybe. I don't know. If you guys haven't gone and liked the my new YouTube video as well, I'm on your head. I just get out there, chat. Hit me out. And oh wait, I'm in sales. I'm so stupid. I gotta put buys. That's how you do it. We're in the future. Buy and sell. Dumb motherfucker. You think of trading as solving puzzles? You can. I think of it as like an experiment. I've always given that example, but like for anyone here who's ever been like a science class or tried to figure out some sort of hypothesis, like the whole thing of what you have to do is like, all right, your hypothesis is I think this works. I'm going to collect data on it and experiment to prove that it works. And then you go and collect data and you trade, and guess what? It either works and your data shows it works if you do these certain things, or it shows you it doesn't work because your data literally shows that as ass. And that's how I think you develop a strategy. Some of the best traders, they all say the same thing. You know, if you guys go watch this podcast I did with JadeCap, like he talks about it in it, is about like, one of the questions I asked him was, you know, he's been trading for like, I think it was like 10, 15, 12 years or something like that. And I asked him like, what made you a better trader than before? Like, what did you do more? He's like, just thorough journaling and sticking to one entry model. He's like, when you're taking 5, 10 trades and all this type of stuff, you're not thoroughly collecting data because there's so much to collect and you don't even really can go through. He's like, when he started taking like 3, 4 trades a week and really collecting data on just one entry model over time is what changed everything for him. That's what I preach. Squeezing. How is it, chat? 12's got the hourly.
Stop filled.
Fucked. Bro, you guys don't even know what the fuck is coming. Oh my god. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, chat. And it all changes. Let it all work out. Alright, well that was ass. What's good, NASDAQ? What? Paying you like Picasso. Rejected, sold, broke. It's finally coming, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Had to do a final little switch thingy, but yeah, bro, fire. Crazy on Nasdaq's range yesterday. I mean, the markets the last like week or so has been pretty very at least for like AM session, you know. AM session been a little wonky. PM session, let's just wait, you know. Still got a little bit. Still got a little bit. I'm debating, guys, US 30. I'm just not convinced, especially at the hourly open. Oh wow, look how that hourly closed. What's good, Luca? Took 2 L's and a W today. Let's fucking go, bro. Was your W bigger than your loss? Because that's all that matters. I don't care if you lose. Losing once doesn't matter, bro. It's when you win, you getting it back. What's happening? Looking for buys tonight? Tonight on what? NASDAQ? I just think we're retracing, you know, like retracing the discount potentially to go, right? Like I was trying to follow the trend. On it, we'll see. See what happens when we actually get to discount. That's what's going to confirm it all. Because the whole reason we were short, you go to the 4 hour, obviously you've come up, you look left, swept all-time highs, had a big rejection. So I thought obviously, you know, a lot of buying pressure pushed price up, but now big money wants to do what? They want to push price down to gain more liquidity because that's obviously where orders are sitting. So I'm kind of waiting to see if we're going to pull back and continue lower, or was this like a fake out and it really is bullish, right? I'm waiting the price action here. This just happened, you know, like all this happened just this morning. So we're really going to tell what's good. Ugh. All right, guys, get some guesses in the chat today. I'm picking up new car. Which, like, give me like what it is, color, spec. Come on, I've given you guys so many hints. Actually, not really, but I'm debating when probably I'll announce it on maybe Sunday. GTS upgrade? No, we still have the no. Where's adding? All right, guys, if I already have a Porsche and I want to get a bigger car, I already told you guys like a bigger car.
So it's definitely a car, not an SUV, and it's a four-door. You said yesterday four-door.
Well, I don't know. I don't know. Give me like a spec, like a color spec or something. 2012 Honda, got it. Found it. GMC truck. Nah, I want a truck though, but that's why I got this. It's like a truck. Ooh, what's good? Damn, Rudy, you got a Raptor? That's probably so lit. Like I said, guys, in an old YouTube video, I went over it.
I got a GMC truck, thinking about putting a turbo on it. They recalled the 6.2s, so I got lucky, got a 6.0 in it.
Nice. That's swag. Sheesh. Guys, come on. What about color?
NLT blue.
Fuck, how do you guess that? God. Jesus, how do you get that? I love that shit. What blue is it? NLT blue. In the chat, what kind of car people are you guys? You guys smaller cars or bigger cars? Let's do a quick poll. Someone said mayo. Damn, what the fuck is happening? Muscle cars or G. But you don't want to like daily a muscle car. It's just like when you have money and you just want to like have one in your garage. Drive on the weekends. I mean, that's why I wanted to get a bigger one, guys. Like, I was daily in a Porsche for the last, like, year and a half. Treat that bitch like a grocery getter. Sheesh. Like, a Durango's pretty cool. Nah, it's just more like yeah. It's so San Diego, like I don't know. Just that's why I wanted to move. Like when I envisioned moving to SoCal, it was like moving to SoCal. I mean, I always wanted a Porsche. I got the Porsche, but I wanted like a top down fucking, you know, some shit. Scooter top down. Eesh. Bro, dude, I'm excited, guys. I get to go get it today. It all came out of nowhere. Like I low-key was just like, I just decided. That's why I can't be paying for that Raptor. Do you drive a lot, Rudy? Is that why? Or is it just like anytime you drive it, it's just like fuck?
Nah, bro, I don't drive that much. It's just I think it takes like about like 95 to 100 bucks to fill up. So it's just expensive.
Yeah, and it's like you just fill it up consistently. Yeah, it's I'm not too excited about, but I don't want to go anywhere too far, you know. Unless I want to go like off-roading and shit. There's a bunch of like beaches around here in San Diego that you actually can just go to and just like take your car and just go.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean I love my Raptor. That was actually my dream truck. So
Yeah, that's dope.
every day I don't want no rain in it or anything.
Hell yeah. How's the weather out there right now? Starting to get hot?
Oh, bro, it's deadly. It was like
Really?
yeah, it's disgusting.
Staying his ass inside.
It's disrespectful.
No, disrespectful is Naz right now. What the fuck? Oh my god. Interesting chat. Ultimately trying to follow the trend. We're starting to get up into that area that I said was in discount, but we have a lot of volume coming in. So that's one thing that you guys will see. So you don't want to just because it's retracing, try to like catch reversals like that. Nah, like clearly there's some buy volume coming in after we swept these lows from London. The reason I thought we could maybe come back down is we did not sweep this previous Asia low right here. And to me, this looked like some like pretty even lows that we could just retest. And then once we, retested, went down, retested, thought we'd go down and swept these. And then in here, so we'll see. Let's see what we could do at this point. Gone to profit a little bit and then just fucking boing. See if we'll reject here, continue lower, or if we're going to break back above. Seeing if we can take some liquidity. That. Bro. Ballsy. That's all I'll say. All I'll say is ballsy. Never fade the goat. Sweep the equal highs and then Diddy drop candle. Okay, we gotta stop talking with the Diddy drop candle. Not what it is.
Looks like it's playing with the 4 hour and had that breakout and then it came right back, but the previous resistance before the breakout
Where?
on the 4 hour.
Hey, you're saying, what are you saying that we're retesting in here?
There you go. Still last couple candles like wicked out right at the same level
Yeah.
that we're currently at.
Yeah, so it could just be like a level of support. Like I said, it was more of this candle engulfing, and we also took out the all-time highs, you know? Kind of like a general thing whenever you sweep highs like this, especially all-time highs, you usually get some sort of selling pressure. Guys, remember when I first was joining Fortune's Funding and I was friends with James, and I think it was XRP jumped up and went crazy, broke all-time highs, and he shorted the shit out of it. And oh my god, it was crazy. Let's go. Looks like a retest, but never fully retested. Yeah, I mean, yeah, like you could consider this a break and a retest, kind of, I guess. Definitely swept these lows. I just think we just need to like retest somewhere in here. You know, we still have the supply right here. Looks obviously pretty good above these highs. Could just be aiming for that. Teresa, why aren't you a fan of Ford? I'm just curious. What makes you not choose them? Or Cypher? What makes a Ford not good?
My next truck might be a Ford. I want that F450 Platinum.
I know, dude, the F-150s and shit are crazy. Dude, you never can go wrong with Toyota. Yeah, Toyota's engines always will last and shit. They just don't have any like cars that I would personally want right now. Like a big ass like new RAV4, those are dope, but like I'm not driving around on a RAV4 right now. NASDAQ right now, I mean, it looks good.
I got two RAV4 right now.
Yeah, they're dope. RAV4s are pretty dope.
I think it's like 53 miles to the gallon.
Oh wow, what the fuck?
And both of them are hybrid, so it's like, it's crazy.
Interesting. You trying to sell, Louis? What's good? They're coming out with a TRD RAV4 and I'm buying it. That's how it's dope. You also live in, don't you live in Hawaii, Teresa? Like, that's dope. Definitely a cool car to have out there. Shut the fuck up. Ford is like Modelo. Not everyone likes them, but you look cool drinking it. That is hilarious. Not everyone likes them, but everyone's like, oh shit, he got a Modelo. Come to Big Island? Yeah, I mean, I definitely want to come out there soon. I love Hawaii. I love Hawaii. Hmm.
I don't know. I'm torn between two cars. It's either gonna be a Cadillac Escalade next, or when I quit this NPC, I want to import a Skyline from Liberty Walk in Japan.
I want to go to Japan, bro. I can see you in one of those cars with the steering wheel on the right side.
Right-hand drive, like a R35, probably like a 2023, one of the last models. And then it has to have a Liberty Walk from Japan, Nismo installed.
So dope. Different. White River Brewing Company, Piney the Elder, that's the beer to get. We're chilling. Oh yeah, that beer sounds complicated. I would stutter trying to order it. Yeah. Hennessy Escalade. Yeah. Those. I would want like one of those big ass Escalades. I definitely want one of those all blacked out and shit. Definitely want one of those eventually. So fucked.
They get two of those, have a security team in one.
You'll stutter after drinking it. That's funny. Really nice sound shit. Alright guys, so we look over on US 30, we can go back to just the single screen. Single screen it, let's jump over to US 30 first. Bad price action on US 30 personally. Why? Because down in this area, I'd say it didn't really like hold anything, didn't really show any breaks. There's no really like structures that it broke above really in here, only like kind of like this high, which we're still just like minorly right here. So US 30 to me didn't look as nice. NASDAQ, I don't know. I feel like if I wouldn't have given those shorts a chance, buys above it like this trend line break was something I was interested in after the sweep. I think because this low didn't get taken, a little bias. But we'll have to see. Just because now that we've come up, like it's still within this range. Like we never took out this high, and we never even took out this low. So technically, like it's still within this range. Not the clearest direction. US 30. So it broke out of that high. Sheesh. Last two retesting. We got it. Use MAMBA Lux indicator. I actually don't. I have smooth movement averages here, but I haven't used the Lux indicator. Is it good? All right, guys. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but my ride is almost here to then go and get the new car. I'm gonna shower real quick, and then I'm gonna go. So, SMH, L's in the chat. Screw Luca. No, I'm totally kidding. But guys, new video coming out. Well, new podcast you guys have to go watch. It's so fire. But then new video about me picking up the new car. I'm probably gonna leave a couple more hints on my I will vlog the new whip. I'm gonna leave a couple hints on my Instagram and probably what's it called? Maybe like give something to someone who guesses it and guesses the spec or something, you know. We'll do another giveaway. I promise by the end of the week, I will do a giveaway on stream for you guys. So you guys can hold me to that. We will, I'll give away an account. So make sure you guys are always tuned in on the live streams. Never miss a freaking stream. If you have not only the subscribe button, but you also turn the post notifications on so that when I do go live, it'll literally just tell you so you can come tune in. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for coming to tune in. Missed these little buys right here, but at the end of the day, it wasn't really too big just yet. No clear direction. We'll see. Going into tomorrow. It's only, what day is it? Wednesday. It's only Wednesday. I'll see you guys back tomorrow and to do a giveaway. Tomorrow's Thursday actually, so giveaway tomorrow on stream. So if you guys come to stream and you guys want a new account, y'all know where to be. I love y'all. Catch you on the next one. Peace out, gang.